it's as important as your life.
Basically, there are more than 1,000 people or more than that people dying because of accidents on roads in India every year. So to curb that or to reduce that, we need to have some road safety or some guidelines.
Road safety is basically taking care that nobody gets hurt. You're driving with the responsibility that so many lives are at stake.
It's about caring about yourself and others too.
Protecting people, that's it.
Road safety means just keeping a watch while you're driving.
Road safety is obviously very important because jaan hai to jahan hai.
Road safety means to drive safely without injuring anyone and keeping in mind that there are pedestrians on the road and we have to take care of them.
It's basically being safe on road.
Like when you
Cross, you need to be alert when you cross. Don't
like
look at your phones and all.
Trust also, like no one should just come and dash you or walk properly and all.
Look at both the sides when you walk.
Honking unnecessarily, overtaking, not following the rules and regulations, jumping signals, basically not to respect other drivers on the road.
Worst quality in an Indian driver is that they are not self-responsible enough.
Everyone is so like they want to reach a particular place that they don't follow the rules.
Giving no signals before taking a right or a left, that is the most annoying thing about Indian drivers.
Many of them are reckless. They avoid, wearing a helmet, or they don't follow the safety rules.
Simple road safety things like not wearing seat belts, talking during driving.
When they know that the person is walking and they try to come over you. I don't know why.
When an ambulance is going and they don't have the way to go. The traffic is so much. That's the very irritating part.
I think they honk too much, more than too much, and they're always in a rush.
They are very spontaneous. That's one thing that you see about Indian drivers. They know how to, they are accustomed to the traffic and so they know how to deal with it.
They have a good judgment. As such, there is nothing good because we are the first people to break rules ourselves, and it's become so convenient to bribe the police officers and move away.
They're very helpful. Like if an old woman is crossing the road or a pregnant lady, they have the courtesy to stop the car like while they are crossing and let them cross the road first.
I feel if there were better roads and better signals and broad roads, they would drive better.
Good things in Indian drivers. Hard to recollect. It's very hard. Should I say bad things?
Good qualities. I don't know. Hard to think of.
Good qualities in Indian drivers. Actually, I don't think there's any good quality.
The only thing is that they should realize that they are drivers at that particular moment, but they are also going to be pedestrians at a time.
Drive safely, respect the other drivers, and don't drink and drive.
Follow the rules, be safe. Keep in mind that many more people are out there. So don't risk your life, don't risk their life.
Follow rules and regulations and think about others before yourself.
Drive safe and keep others safe.
Please try reducing to honk all the time and please let the ambulances go first and give them a priority.
Be careful while driving because life is important.
I think be safe, look at all the sides when you're driving and just be alert. Obviously don't drink and drive.
When I start driving, I'll make sure that I abide by all the rules and I'll make sure that I don't drive rashly.
Don't drink and drive!